Fellows program is a research-oriented program that takes students with professors to different places across the world to go carry out research.
The Summer Fellows program really differs in that you're really focused on a real-life experience, really emphasizing hands-on research. The three of us traveled to Bogota, Colombia. We were there for 6 weeks on site. We were studying the implementation of the Truth Committee, which was a specific group of people that were assigned to repair relationships after the Civil War in Colombia.
There's just something so crucial that you can get from a first-hand experience. It gave me a bit more of a viewpoint on how these governments work and made me think a little bit more about where I might want to take my career path.
I think it's a very powerful opportunity that really allows for people to explore their own interests.
We definitely had a lot of time to explore Colombian culture. We had a really wonderful trip to the Amazon, and going to the Amazon actually really solidified a lot of what we were doing in the real world for me. I think that was a very eye-opening experience.
I've been an international relations major since I came into college, but I didn't really know where I wanted to go with that degree or what I wanted to do. Getting to have these experiences have impacted my career trajectory in totally different ways, and I think it's really helped shape my perspective and how I hope to carry myself professionally.
I feel as though my perspective has broadened, and on that I feel as though I'm able to kind of think in a way that allows me to view a situation in more than one way. And I think it has really brought a lot of dimension to how I look at my government classes and the things that I'm studying. I wholeheartedly recommend the Summer Fellows program to any William & Mary student, no matter what their interests are. If you're captivated by the world, by language, by culture, by research, no matter what you're interested in, there's something for you here.